Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use and download create a bootable Windows 10 using USB, the official Microsoft tool. If your computer isn't working properly or you want to install Windows 10 on a new device, this method will help you create installation media using a USB drive. You will need a working PC with internet access and a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of free space. Plug in the USB now. Now go to the official Microsoft download page. In your browser, type download Windows 10 or 11 which you want. Click the official link from Microsoft.com. Scroll down until you see the Windows 10 and click download tool now. Get the media version. Once it finishes downloading, run the tool. Accept the license agreement here. Then run the tool and select your information here, edition and the language, and click on this. Use the recommend. After that, click USB flash drive. Click next and pick the USB you inserted. Here's the USB. Click next again and you see your USB flash drive is ready and click on finish. The tool will now download and create your Windows 10 installation media. This may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, you will see the message saying your USB is ready. Click finish, then safely eject your USB from the system. Now just press and hold your ESC and power button. This will open your boot manager. From here, click on your pen drive and then again fill in your information. Click next and again select your keyboard, then select next, then agree to this term and select this one and then click next. Here you can see this one and click on this partition tree and click next. You will see again install and this will install the Windows. And now just do the basic setup, and that's how you can use this USB to install or reinstall Windows 10 or 11 on any compatible PC. Like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.